MT Roadside, come back at you with another video. I am in Jupiter right now, about to replace a battery on a 2016 Jeep, which is under the seat. Appreciate you guys for your comments, especially the subscribers. I really didn't think that I can get subscribers from you guys, but I appreciate that. But let's get into this video. So right here we got 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Batteries up under the seat. So first thing I need to do is lift up that seat. Of course I get an Ajero call when I'm about to do something. So we got the seat lifted up. We may find some hidden treasures in here. So the battery is gonna be under here. Let me lift this up. So there's actually two batteries that's in there. He replaced this, he said, about a year ago. No, 3 years ago. This one here he never replaced. The smaller battery really don't go bad as much as the bigger battery, but I'm gonna take them out and check them both to make sure. So get you guys set up. I'll be back. Actually, let me tell you. So we got a 10 here. This one here is a 10. That's a 10. Basically a hole down in the back, and we got one all the way in the back. So I come back at you once I get it out. All right, so we got the auxiliary battery out. We're gonna check that in a minute. I'll show you guys what we got right now. So basically, I took the auxiliary out, which I already showed you. This is basically the hold down bracket, which the auxiliary battery sits on. So I'm gonna take that out. And this is hold on by, if you can see it like this. See that bolt there? That's a 13. And I lied to you guys, the auxiliary batteries, they're 13 for the posts. So I got that out. Basically what I gotta do now, this is already loose. Take the drain plug out. Those are 10s. Take the battery out, and then we're gonna test it out. So I just gotta take that out. All right, so got both batteries out. This is one of 21, so it's about 4 years old, which he already told me that. So this is the battery, what we're main concern of. He never replaced this, and that's at 10.9. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace both. As you can see, we got all the batteries out. I'm just gonna put everything back in reverse order. All right, so I checked both batteries. The auxiliary is the main battery that's really dead. Because he had the bigger battery, which is the starting battery, that's at 11.7, which is not that bad, but since he had it for about 4 years, we're gonna replace that anyway and start from fresh. You can keep it, but why pay the extra money later on down the road when you can just do it again? Makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and install the new batteries, which I got right here. If you can see it, 1 and 2. Go ahead and install those. All right, so we got every installed battery, new batteries installed. Remember that your auxiliary battery don't come with these little screw-on tips that you got to screw on those, so you got to take that off the old battery. Let me show you. So basically, there's little screw bolts that screws in here. You need to take those off to put in your new battery. That way you have it. But everything is down and dandy. Got everything in there. Bro, what the heck is that? But we're gonna leave that there, evidence. So don't know what that is. But thank you guys for watching. I already checked the charger system, everything is done. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.